Hi everyone, today I'm turning myself into Zafina from Tekken 7. This is the makeup look I did. I'm gonna show you exactly how I achieved this look right now. For foundation, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix foundation, and then I will be using the MAC Studio concealer. For blush, I'm using this one. It's called Blushing Face Frosting by Pink Honey in the shade Sugar Plums. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna set the makeup using my Fenty banana powder. She has like a blue smoky eye, so I'm thinking to use the Juvia's Place Culture palette. I'm thinking of using a really dark purple, and then I'm gonna go over it with this sparkly blue shade. So for this, I'm gonna use this brush by e.l.f. It's an angular brush. Alright, so I do think that looks pretty good actually. Now using the same brush, I'm gonna go in that dark blue. Right now it's looking very controlled, so I need to like smoke it out. I am going in with this light purple shade, and I'm just gonna use this small fluffy brush and try to like fluff out the edges. Do you see the difference? So like now it really looks smoky. So this is what it is looking like right now. She does have a black waterline. I'm gonna use my Pat McGrath Labs eye pencil in the shade Extreme Black. Now she doesn't wear like a black liner, but she does wear like black mascara. So I'm gonna use this one by Pat McGrath Labs. It's in the shade Extreme Black. First, I'm gonna curl my lashes. Actually, first I'm gonna add a little something to my inner corner. I do have like this multi-chrome color that might give it like a little pop. Yeah, that definitely made a difference. I really like that. Life is always better with duochrome shades. Now for lips, I'm gonna use this gloss. It is by Kiko Milano from the Bridgerton collection, and it's in the shade 3. Zafina pairs her outfit with golden jewelry, so I'm gonna add a golden highlighter. I'm gonna use this one by Fenty Beauty. It is Trophy Wife. Alright, that is the finished look, and let me show you my Tekken t-shirt. I also wore this one when I did my Lily look, so make sure to check out my Lily video if you haven't yet. I also talk a little bit about how I grew up with Tekken, and I'm showing all of my Tekken merch, so make sure to watch that video as well. Okay, so my makeup is done, and now I'm gonna put on my dress. Alright, the dress is on. This is what it looks like, and I'm wearing like these lacy tights underneath. My hair I have just clipped back like that. Now Zafina has a lot of accessories, and first I'm gonna start with earrings. So she has like moon and star earrings, so I found these ones which are really big. Next are bracelets. She wears a lot of golden bangles. So I have my own Indian golden bangles, which I think suit her very well. So I have this headpiece. It's actually supposed to go like that, but I figured maybe it would be like a nice necklace. But now that I'm looking at it, maybe it would make a nicer belt. I think as a belt it would look pretty nice. I think it actually looks really nice as a belt. Now to complete the belt, she does wear a golden spider, so I found this one. It's a brooch. I think it goes perfect with her look. So I'm actually gonna try and pin it like there. I think that looks pretty cool. Like it looks like a hanging spider on like a web, you know? So she actually wears like a moon necklace as well, like matching the earrings. I don't have that though, and I couldn't find one either that really like matches this. And also because this is quite heavy, those are really statement earrings, so I was kind of looking for like a smaller necklace, and I found this one, which I actually thought was really appropriate for her because like it has that gradient from gold to black, but it's just too much with the earrings. So I'm gonna go simple, but like not too simple. I'm going my simple. So I found this necklace, which is really small but still sparkly. Alright, so the necklace is on. Make sure to let me know what you think, and if you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also comment who I should verify next. I'm gonna wear this Swarovski ring. And this Pandora ring. So now it's time for shoes, and she wears like these dark blue strappy heels, and I couldn't find those like in that exact shade as like this dress. So I decided to go with gold. I do already own like strappy gold heels, and I do think that it goes really well with the accessories. So Zafina has some of Azazel's power. So her left hand is kind of mummified and has some mummy wraps around them. So I went through my first aid kit and I found these bandages. So I wrapped them around my hand. She has like a loose piece of wrap hanging, so I left a little bit as well. And now I think her look is really completed. Your fate is already decided. I've always kind of looked at the Tekken female characters and looked at their makeup and everything, and I was always thinking like it would be so fun to like do their looks and dress up like them, and now I'm finally doing it. Well, that is the end of this video. Thank you for watching me sparkle.